Maximize your privacy using Proton Mail and simple login, which is the ultimate combo. If you want to maximize your email privacy, then using both of them is the ultimate one-two punch. Here's how this powerful combo works to protect you. It gives you 2 layers of protection. Think of it like this. Proton Mail is your secure, private, and encrypted mailbox. It is your fortress. Now, who's going to stand in front of your fortress? That is simple login. So simple login is your personal alias generator. It is a shield that sits in front of your fortress. So instead of giving out your real Proton Mail address to every website, you give them a unique, random, simple login alias. All emails sent to that alias are forwarded directly to your secure Proton Mail inbox. Why is this a privacy game changer? Well, one, it stops spam and tracking. If an alias starts getting spam, you can just disable or delete it instantly. The spam never reaches your real inbox, and companies can't track you across the web using your primary email. 2, data breach protection. If your website gets hacked, the hackers only get your worthless alias, not your real Proton Mail address. Your identity remains safe. Your real email stays hidden forever. It's as simple as that.